Looking for an eco-friendly and stylish fencing option? Today, we're going to show you the top 5 benefits of using bamboo fencing. Stick around to see if bamboo fencing is the perfect fit for your outdoor space. Benefit 1. Eco-friendly option. One of the biggest benefits of bamboo fencing is its sustainability. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional wood fencing. By choosing bamboo, you're helping reduce deforestation. Benefit 2. Durability and strength. Don't let its delicate appearance fool you. Bamboo is incredibly strong and durable. When treated properly, bamboo fencing can withstand harsh weather conditions, from heavy rain to intense sunlight, and still look amazing. Benefit 3. Versatility in design. Whether you want privacy or an eye-catching design element, bamboo fencing offers plenty of versatility. It can be used for privacy screens, as garden dividers, or even decorative accents for a tropical look. Benefit 4. Cost-effective solution. On top of that, bamboo fencing is budget-friendly. It's often more affordable than hardwood or metal fences, making it a cost-effective option without sacrificing style or quality. Lastly, benefit 5. Natural beauty. Bamboo fencing has a natural, warm beauty that blends perfectly with landscaping. It brings a sense of tranquility and a zen-like atmosphere to your outdoor space. So, let's recap the benefits of bamboo fencing. Eco-friendly and sustainable, durable and weather-resistant, versatile in design, cost-effective, and naturally beautiful. Bamboo fencing could be the perfect choice. Its natural beauty and sustainability enhance your outdoor space while positively impacting the environment. Why wait? Discover the potential of bamboo fencing and create a stunning, welcoming atmosphere in your yard. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.